Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting with the essentials: a quality Cat5e or Cat6 cable, an available router LAN port, and your Ps4. Plug one end into the Ps4 LAN jack and the other into the router or switch. This reduces packet loss and latency compared to Wi-Fi. Once done, power the Ps4 and go to Settings, choose Network, then set up internet connection and select Use a LAN cable. This kicks off the Ps4 wired setup, so you can configure IP and tests next. You'll now decide how the Ps4 gets its network address. Select Easy for automatic DHCP, which works for most users, or choose Manual to enter a static IP if you reserved one on the router. This keeps the Ps4 address stable for port forwarding and NAT. Make sure to set DNS to a reliable pair like 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 if you want faster resolution. Leave MTU on auto, typically 1500, and skip proxy unless your network requires. Finish by running test internet connection to verify IP, download/upload speeds, and NAT type. NAT type 2 is ideal for consoles. Sign in to PlayStation Network and update the system software and any games to confirm downloads and multiplayer work. If something goes wrong, start with one key troubleshooting step. Power cycle your router and Ps4. Then try a different Ethernet cable and port. Sometimes a bad cable or port is the culprit. If problems persist, reserve the Ps4 IP on the router and recheck port forwarding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.